Today, I will teach you how to make a Kandi snowflake. You will need white pony beads, elastic string, scissors, and a plastic needle is optional but very helpful. First, cut your elastic string and string 12 pony beads. Tie your string tight and cut off the shorter string end. Add 3 white beads to your string and skip the bead next to your string and go through the next bead. Pull tight and repeat this process all the way through. I just want to take some time in the middle of this video to say that I do have a Patreon now, and the lowest is $3 a month, and if you have the extra to spare to support me, it would mean a lot so I could get more of these videos out. And I have a couple of tiers, so I would love if you check it out, and if you want to see anything else there, the link is in the description, but it is also pastel K, just like everything else. Then it should look like this. Take your string up the beads until your string is coming out of a top pointy bead. Add 3 beads to your string and go back through the same bead in the opposite direction. Go down through the next 2 beads and then go up 2 more beads. Repeat this process all the way through. Tie a knot and then go up to one of the top beads. Then tie a loop at one of the top beads. And in the end, it should look like this. Do you want to see tutorials for the rest of the snowflakes? Let me know in the comments below and check out my Patreon that's linked in the description.